everybody, it's Neil and welcome to the kitchen. And today I have these coasters here. So this is the thing I got. If you look around here, everything here is pretty white. So I thought, hey, what goes good with white? White coasters. So we'll see. So if you see, I had surgery here, so that's why I'm trying to aim this way a little bit so you don't have to see the ugliness. But let's see how these coasters look. These are by Sweese, I guess, S-W-E-E-S-E. So you can see here's the information on it. They are made in China. So let's see how they look. This is the box. I don't know what happened. I somehow opened the box incorrectly, I guess. But this is what they look like. And let's check out a few of these here. So this is what one looks like here. I think they all are pretty much the same. Yep, so yeah, that's what they all kind of look like. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them in there. And so they look like little tiles, and they say that they absorb water, and they have a little cork on the bottom, so it won't scratch up the surface and when it's on there. So it seems pretty good to me. We'll see if the rest of the people like them as well. But I like it. Matches everything else in here. It's pretty white. So these look nice. So thumbs up for me. Pick up a set of these. I'll put a link to them in the description. Be sure to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and the link's in the description. I'll be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.